Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Niaz Ahmed, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree Boys College, Gulistani Johar, morning shift. Today, my topic is electronic configuration. Write the electronic configuration of the following: copper Z is equal to 29, strontium plus 2 Z is equal to 38, bromine minus 1 Z is equal to 35. Suppose an example 11 Na23. Here 11 is equal to Z. It means that Z is a atomic number, while 23 is equal to atomic mass. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. Z means number of proton. Z is 11 here. It means that there is 11 proton. And Z also tells about the number of electron too. Here Z is 11. It means that there are 11 electrons. By the help of atomic number and atomic mass, we can easily find out number of neutron. A minus Z. A is here 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. It means that there is 12 neutron. Now we are going to write the electronic configuration of copper Z is equal to 29. To write the electronic configuration, we have to know about the number of electron. In this case, the number of electron is 29. Then we have to know about the Aufbau principle, because electronic configuration is written in the form of with the help of Aufbau principle. According to the German scientist, Aufbau principle, in the ground state of an atom or ion, electron fill atomic orbitals of the lowest available energy levels first before occupying higher energy level. For example, the 1s subshell is filled before the 2s subshell. It is also called building up principle or Aufbau rule. Distribution of electron according to Aufbau principle is as shown in this figure. In this figure, we have first filled 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p and 7s. Here s is equal to 2 electron and subshell p consists of 6 electron and subshell d consists of 10 electron while f consists of 14 electron. जहाँ जहाँ पर s हैं वहाँ पे हमें 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊपर लिखने होंगे. जहाँ पर p है वहाँ पे हमें 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन लिखने होंगे. जहाँ पे d है वहाँ पे हमें 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन लिखने होंगे. इसी तरह जहाँ पर F आएगा वहाँ पे हमें 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लिखने होंगे. बट इन केस ऑफ 4s2 3d4, then one electron moves from s to d orbital to get stability. Then we can write it 4s1 comma 3d5. Another case which we have to follow here, in case of 4s2 3d9, then one electron moves from s to d orbital to get stability. 4s1 comma 3d10. Now we are going to start write the electronic configuration of copper. Z is equal to 29. Z is equal to 29 mean there is 29 electron. First we write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, comma 3d9. In this case we are clearly check it that 4 in the last orbital 4s2 and 3d9, which we can replace 4s1 and 3d10. Another example, Sr plus 2, Z is equal to 38. Plus 2 mean loss of 2 electron. Now 38 minus 2, it means that 36 electron is present here. Now we will write electronic configuration as follows: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10 and 4p6. Now we see another example, bromine minus 1, Z is equal to 35. Minus 1 mean gain of 1 electron. Now 35 plus 1, it means that 36 electron. Now we have to write the electronic configuration of 36 electron. 1s2 comma 2s2 comma 2p6 comma 3s2 comma 3p6 comma 4s2 comma 3d10 comma 4p6. Thank you for learning. Allah Hafiz.